So today we're going to demonstrate cupping that you can do at home. Now there's cupping done the traditional way, which is fire cupping, which produces a stronger suction, which is done in a professional office setting. If you're at home and you want to order some cups off Amazon, I'm going to teach you how to do it and what conditions it's good for. So first of all, the conditions that cupping is good for is any type of situation that feels better when you stretch and move around. The pain seems to decrease a little bit. You don't want to use it if you have a deficient condition where your pain gets worse sometimes when you start walking around. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how fire cupping works and how you could do it at home. So first of all, you want to get massage oil. You want to lightly coat the area that you're cupping. So she has pain on her neck and her upper back. So we're going to add this. And then what you want to make sure that you do is on your cups, you want to put a light layer of the massage oil on the lip of it. Okay, then you want to get the suction, you want to place the cup down, and you want to go ahead and create a vacuum. Now, the great thing about using a suction is that you can actually control the amount of suction. So you can go harder, less, however it benefits the person. So we're going to go ahead and move this, and you can move them around. Now, traditionally, how you want to do it is you want to get the cups as close together. You don't want to leave any space in between. So we're going to go ahead and get this over here. So I'll show you how you want to do an area. On this side, we'll go ahead and demonstrate slide cupping. Yeah, she's a little bit there. So as you can see, she's pretty good. If the marks are on the body, depending on how dark they get, they can go from really light red to I have seen purple. So when it's purple, that means how much, we call it stagnation, how much wasn't moving through there, like the fluids and the blood flow. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to demonstrate slide cupping on this side. So as you can see, she has some really light marks here. Also, cupping is not only good for pain relief, it's also good if you catch a cold and your shoulders get all tight. Cupping is excellent to release that. It's also a great thing to do if you're quitting smoking. You want to cup the whole back. You would be shocked how dark purple it is. All right, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to demonstrate slide cupping. Hang on, we need to get a little more massage oil on the lip of the cup. We're going to place it down. You don't want to create too great of a suction because what you want to do is you want to slide it like this. It's usually easier when they're lying down, but for demonstrations purposes, we're going to go ahead and show it this way. So you want to slide the cup up and down. And this will help you cover a larger area than before. So that's how you do slide cupping. We're going to go ahead and just do stationary cupping through here because she does have some muscle spasms right there. But as you can see, she has good flow because it's just a nice light pink. It's a little dark there. So once again, with the cupping, once you see the discoloration present on the skin, the ancient texts tell us that to stay away from drafts, which means AC or wind hitting this area. And after you take a shower, a bath, you go to the pool, the ocean, you want to make sure you towel that area off very well and keep it dry. So this is how you do cupping. It's good for pain. It's good for if you catch a cold and you have tight muscles or you want to detox from cigarette smoking. It's amazing. So thank you for allowing us to do cupping on you today. And we'll see you in the next video for how acupuncture is done.